You ever had one of those mornings where you're already late, you rush outside, and boom, your car's frozen solid, doors won't open, windshield's covered in ice, and your battery's acting dead? Yeah, winter doesn't play fair. But today I got you covered. I'm about to show you 12 essential winter car hacks that will save you time, keep you safe, and make sure your car survives the freezing months ahead. We're talking about stopping your windshield from freezing overnight, making sure your car battery doesn't die in the cold, and even a genius trick to unfreeze your door locks instantly. These are the tricks that car experts and mechanics swear by, and by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever survived winter without them. Let's jump right in, starting with one of the biggest winter car problems that catches drivers off guard. Tip number 1, how to keep your windshield from freezing overnight. Alright, picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, head out to your car, and bam! Your windshield is completely frozen. Now, you're out there scraping like a maniac, fingers freezing, and you're already late for work. Let me save you from that nightmare. Here's a simple trick that works every time. The fix. Grab a cheap towel or even a rubber car mat and lay it over your windshield the night before. In the morning, just peel it off and boom! Clear windshield, no ice. No towel. Mix 3 parts vinegar with 1 part water and spray it on your windshield before bed. It stops ice from forming overnight. What not to do. Don't pour hot water on your frozen windshield. That's how you get a nasty crack that'll cost you a fortune to fix. Tip number 2, how to stop your car doors from freezing shut. You ever try to open your car door on a freezing morning and it just won't budge? Yeah, that's because moisture got in the seals and froze your door shut. The fix. Take some cooking spray, yes, the one from your kitchen, and spray it along the rubber seals of your doors. Wipe off the excess, and just like that, no more frozen doors. No cooking spray? Rub a little Vaseline or silicone grease on the rubber seals. It creates a barrier against moisture. Bonus hack. If your door is already frozen shut, don't yank on it. Instead, push against the door with your body first to break the ice seal, then gently pull the handle. Tip number 3, the battery trick that could save you from getting stranded. Okay, real talk, winter absolutely kills car batteries. You could go to bed with a perfectly fine car and wake up to a dead battery. And guess what? That always happens on the coldest day of the year. But here's how to stop that from happening. The fix. Keep a portable jump starter in your car. These things are lifesavers when there's no one around to give you a jump. If you don't have one, just park your car facing the morning sun. Seriously, even a little warmth helps your battery hold its charge. Before shutting off your car at night, turn off everything, heater, radio, lights, so your battery doesn't work overtime in the cold. Bonus tip, if your battery terminals look corroded, pour a little baking soda and water on them, then scrub with an old toothbrush. Clean terminals equals stronger battery power. Tip number 4, instant fix for frozen car locks. Take a straw and blow warm air directly into the keyhole. Your breath is warm enough to melt the ice inside. Keep a small hand sanitizer bottle with you. Just put a few drops on your key before inserting it. The alcohol melts the ice instantly. No keyhole? Hold a lighter near your key fob or door handle for a few seconds to warm it up. What not to do. Don't pour hot water on your locks. It'll just freeze again, even worse. Alright, those were just the first 4 winter car hacks, and we've already saved you from frozen windshields, dead batteries, and doors that won't open. But trust me, we're just getting started. Now I'm going to show you some game-changing winter driving hacks that'll keep you in control, help you avoid accidents, and if you ever do get stuck, get you back on the road. Fast! Let's go! Tip number 5, the secret trick to better traction on icy roads. Okay, we've all been there. You're driving along, everything seems fine, then suddenly your tires start slipping and your heart drops. Ice, black ice, slush. It's like driving on butter. The fix. Keep a large bag of kitty litter or sand in your trunk. If you ever get stuck, just sprinkle some under your tires for instant grip. If you don't have that, cardboard or even your car's floor mats can work in an emergency. Just place them in front of your tires and slowly accelerate. For better traction in general, make sure your tires are properly inflated. Cold air makes them lose pressure fast. Bonus tip, if you live in a super snowy area, switch to snow tires. they're not just a gimmick. Winter tires can literally cut your stopping distance in half on icy roads. Tip number 6, use this wiper hack to prevent ice buildup. So you cleaned your windshield, everything looks good, but then your wipers get frozen stiff and now they're just smearing ice everywhere instead of clearing your view. There's an easy way to stop this from happening. The fix: lift your windshield wipers up overnight to keep them from freezing to the glass. Rub rubbing alcohol or WD-40 on the wiper blades to stop them from sticking. If you forgot to do this, blast your defroster for a few minutes before using your wipers. Bonus tip: for an extra trick, put an old sock or small bag over each wiper at night. In the morning, just take them off and your wipers are ice-free. Tip number 7, how to defog your windshield. Fast driving with a foggy windshield is the worst. You're constantly wiping it with your hand, trying to see through the blur, and meanwhile, you're basically driving blind. Not safe. Here's how to clear it up instantly. The fix: turn your defroster and AC on at the same time. Yes, the AC. It removes moisture from the air, clearing the fog faster. Keep your car's air circulation off and let in fresh air from outside. Recirculating humid air only makes the fog worse. If your windshield keeps fogging up, rub a little shaving cream on the inside glass and wipe it off. It leaves a thin, invisible film that stops fog from forming. Bonus tip: if you're in a rush and need a quick fix, crack your window open just a tiny bit to let moisture escape. Your windshield will clear up way faster. Tip number 8, what to do if your car gets stuck in the snow. This one's huge. Getting stuck in the snow is a nightmare, but most people make it worse by doing the wrong thing. Here's how to actually get out safely. What not to do: don't just slam the gas pedal. All that does is dig you in deeper. Don't keep rocking your car back and forth aggressively. This can overheat your transmission and kill your car. The fix: turn your steering wheel slightly left and right to help your tires get better grip. If your tires are spinning, put your car in second gear. For automatic, use low gear mode. This gives you more control and reduces wheel spin. Use that kitty litter or sand under your tires if you have it. If you have traction control on, try turning it off. Sometimes that actually helps when stuck in deep snow. Tip number 9, the hidden danger of low fuel in winter. Let me ask you something. How low do you let your gas tank go before filling up? Half a tank? Quarter? Do you wait until the light comes on? Well, in winter, that could be a huge mistake. Here's why. When your gas tank is low, condensation builds up inside and turns into water. In freezing temperatures, that water can turn into ice inside your fuel lines, and boom, your car won't start. The fix: always keep at least half a tank of gas during winter. This prevents moisture buildup and keeps your fuel system working properly. If your car ever struggles to start on a cold morning, try turning the key to the on position without starting a few times before cranking the engine. This helps warm up the fuel pump. Bonus tip: if you're running low on gas and stuck in traffic, turn off your heater for a bit. The heater uses energy from the engine, and in an emergency, you want to conserve as much fuel as possible. Tip number 10, the simple trick to keep your engine from freezing. Imagine this: you're ready to go to work, you turn the key, and nothing. Your engine is frozen solid. Yep, that's a real thing, and if you don't take precautions, it could leave you stranded or even wreck your engine. The fix: use the right antifreeze, also called coolant. Make sure your mix is 50% water, 50% antifreeze for the best cold protection. If you park outside, try using a block heater. This small device keeps your engine warm overnight. If you don't have a block heater, just cover your engine with a thick blanket overnight. It might sound weird, but it helps retain some warmth. Bonus tip: if your car won't start in the cold, try pressing the gas pedal once or twice before turning the key. This helps get fuel into the system for an easier start. Tip number 11, the foggy headlights. Fix for night driving. Driving at night in winter can be a nightmare. Blowing snow, icy roads, and worst of all, foggy, dim headlights that barely light up the road. The fix: grab some toothpaste and an old rag. Yes, toothpaste. Rub it onto your headlights, let it sit for a minute, then wipe it off. It removes foggy buildup and makes them shine like new. If you want a longer lasting fix, use a headlight restoration kit or apply a thin coat of car wax. It helps prevent future fogging. Bonus tip: if your headlights still seem dim, check your headlight aim. Sometimes they point too low or too high, and adjusting them can make a huge difference in visibility. The one winter mistake that could destroy your engine. Alright, here's the biggest mistake people make in winter, and it could wreck your engine if you're not careful. Never start your car and just let it sit idling for too long in the cold. A lot of people think they need to warm up their car for 10 to 15 minutes before driving, but that actually causes more harm than good. Why? When your engine idles for too long, it doesn't warm up properly and can cause carbon buildup inside, reducing engine life. Plus, modern cars are designed to warm up while driving, not while sitting in park. The right way to warm up your car: start your car, let it run for 30 to 60 seconds, then start driving gently. Keep your RPMs low for the first few minutes, and your car will warm up much faster. Bonus tip: if your car has a remote start, set it to only run for a few minutes, not 15 or 20. You'll save gas and protect your engine. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any of your own winter car tricks, share them too. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. More car hacks, tips, and tricks are coming your way. Drive safe, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.